Alright guys, you are welcome to Amazing Creative Studio. If this is your first time watching my video, please don't hesitate to like my video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So in this video guys, I want to show you how you can speed up your MTN internet speed. So guys, it has been very difficult these days to browse the internet conveniently. So in this my video, I want to show you guys how you can browse the internet with fast access. So I'll be showing you an app here which you can use, as it is also working for me as I'm recording this video. So, and the app is called VPN. So let me go open my Play Store app so that I can show you the icon of the app so that you can be able to download the app. Okay, let me accept. So what I will just do now is that I will search for the names of the app. I will just search for the names of the app. So which is XVPN. So as you can see that there are lots of VPN that was loaded together, but this is this is the right VPN that you will be downloading. So this is the video, this is the app. So if you have not already installed this app on your phone, so what you need to do is to click on the install button. And once you have clicked on the install button, then you need to open the app. As you can see that currently I'm also using the VPN on my phone, and as you can see that I'm using my MTN. So if you are an MTN user, that is when you need this mobile app. But if you are not using MTN for your internet browsing, then this app is not going to work for you, and the mobile network that you are using will not even work with this mobile app, except that you are an MTN user. So once you have your data entered on your MTN SIM card, then you come to this app and make sure that you select UDP. Make sure that you select UDP, which is recommended. If the first time that you install this app, it will show auto, but when you click on this area, then you'll be able to select the UDP. Once you select the UDP, then you are done with the settings. So next thing is that the app will connect itself automatically. Once it's connected itself automatically, then you'll be able to browse the internet the way you have been using the internet before. So let me show you. Okay, let me refresh. So as you can see, the internet connection is the connection has been working perfectly. Now you see that I was able to log in to my mobile app where I usually find my data. So without this VPN, if the network is not good, as regards the issue of the cable cuts, so the network has not been that stable. But with this help of this VPN, I was able to use the internet the way I've been using it before. So guys, if you love this video, please ensure to like this video and also subscribe to my Telegram channel. Also ensure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also share this channel with your friends and family. Thank you guys, I love you.